Hi guys, today I'm going to share with you a process of how you can edit and create multiple clips and save that to your desktop. So starting with I'll just open the video and let me just pause it. I'm just dragging that to the track. So a track has been created. As you can see, this is a video track. So if I play this, I know first I'm going to scrap a few items which I don't need in those clips, and then I'm going to create multiple clips. So I can just stop here and move the cursor to from where it began and use this icon split at playhead. So it split into two videos. Now I'll go ahead and split another video. So I've got multiple videos, but I'll show one or two just for the sake of the video. So once I move to the next location of the video, say probably at somewhere around 35 seconds. I'm just fast forwarding it. Okay, so I'm going to stop it at this point. So this is where I'm going to select these videos. So now what I can do is I want to remove this part of it because I don't want any clip to be saved. So I can just right click on this part and remove. So now I have got two clips. So what I can do is select this one, go to copy, and then add to the timeline as the source. Again, go to the second clip, say instead of this copy, I would go for this copy, the timeline copy, and I would add it to the source. Okay, so now I've got two clips. So now I can go to the export and select YouTube and export file. So I'll just say video cut. So it would start downloading based on So as you can see, the saving is happening from the timeline. So there's no multiple clip formation that is happening, but it's taking thing from the timeline and saving as is. Just the first version of it has been removed. But we don't want it. We want each of this clip which I saved on the source bar in the playlist. I want them as different clips that to be saved to my laptop. So I would just cancel this saving, stop this job. I'll go back to the saving export bar. So as you can see, I would continue to keep it as YouTube, but from the selection menu, I would go to each playlist item. So if I do an export file now, again it would ask me the name, so I would preferably keep it as video cut, and as you can see the two clips have been renamed as 1 and 2. So now if I go ahead and select, so there's an issue with the directory, so I can just open and go to the right directory. So this is the file that I'm going to keep ahead. So I'm going ahead and saving it. So as you can see, the first job has been stopped and there are two other jobs that are running which are saving my clips. So this is how you can create multiple clips from your timeline. Trim the video if you want by removing those clips after trimming it. And you can also move the cursor and give a start and end point if you want to. So that way you can trim off multiple clips and save the video. If you find some value in this video, please don't forget to like and comment, and also please do subscribe to my channel for more such videos, and thank you for watching.